internet. My name is Luke Wendigabonais, and a while back I got interested in just collecting data from the StrictlyVC newsletter. And that data basically was data on companies that got funding. And over the past couple of months, I just kind of put that data together in an Airtable, and then I finally launched it and called it StrictlyVC Funded. And as you can see, I posted it on Product Hunt a while back, and I just went back and did some updates. So basically, let me show you what it is and what it looks like. So if you log in, if you click to it, the home site is basically going to show you basic information. Well, not basic, it's quite a bit of information for this current month, I believe, for the month of November. I'll try to update it as the months go on. But basically, you just get, oops, I need to edit that. But yeah, you get access to these filters, which is basically massive funding, if you know what I'm talking about with the Strictly VC newsletter, small funding, and also big but not crazy big funding. So you can like edit, filter those, and then see what companies were listed on those. You could actually click on it, and I have an extended website where you could see the jobs from various companies, but that's not what we're talking about. You could access it here, see the companies that were pasted, that raised funding. You could see it over here, see the news clip about it or snippet about their funding round. And yeah, that's kind of what I created. And if you want to see more, if you want to see all of the companies since January, then you have to give me your email by signing up. Just give me your name and email, sign up, and then you would have access to something like this. You would have access to basically the filters with the dates. So you could go to January, and then you could see these are all the companies that had funding back in January, and you could see which companies actually were the massively funded companies. You could see $100 million, 75 million, 60 million. And if you wanted to kind of find out more about those companies, you could see that this links you now to the company's website where you could basically directly go and follow up with the company and kind of use it for whatever information you're trying to find out. And it's quite a bit of companies. I think it's over 1,000. If I'm not lying, correct me on the comment section below. But we are currently in November, and you could see all the, you could deselect January, and then you could see these are the companies currently in November that have been funded. And you can, like I said again, just click on the website and it will take you right directly to that company. So if you find value, comment down in this comment section below and let me know what else I can add to this. Of course, I'm not really a developer. This is just, like I said, a software platform, software website that I just put together. So yeah, thanks for watching.